Hi there, let's see how to make salad dressing today. I'm Ranita, welcome to my channel. But before we begin, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Now do not screenshot this simplest recipe. Take a small clean bowl and add some olive oil. Squeeze a fresh hard lime to it. Add some salt and pepper. Mix it thoroughly and our simplest salad dressing is ready. You can season it on any salads. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Don't forget to check them out. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.